Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Knowledge School to YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the pathogenesis or infection cycle of plant pathogens. So pathogenesis or disease cycle. Pathogenesis is the chain of events that lead to development of disease in the host or sequence of process in disease development from the initial contact between the pathogen and its host to the completion of the syndrome. Pathogenesis is the chain of events. Yes, as you are looking in this diagram, infection cycles starts from the dormant period. After dormant period, primary inoculum made, then inoculation, infection, attachment, penetration, host recognition, invasion, colonization, growth and reproduction of pathogen, and symptom development. Then dissemination of pathogen or secondary inoculum or production of over seasoning stage. So these are the chain of events for the development of any plant pathogen. It can be fungi, bacteria or virus. There are different disease cycles made by the organisms. So we'll discuss first is penetration or phenomenon of infection. So penetration is three types: pre-penetration, penetration, post-penetration. So in infection process means establishment of pathogen in the host plant. Entry and colonization of pathogen in the host tissue is known as establishment, and the infective propagules coming in contact with the host are known as inoculum. First is pre-penetration. Pre-penetration involves dormant period, primary inoculum, inoculation, infection and attachment. Dormant period. So what is the dormant period? When pathogen remain inactive or dormant in the absence of the host. What is the primary inoculum? The inoculum that initiates the epidemics is called primary inoculum. Primary inoculum may be sclerotium, dormant sexual spore like oospores, chlamydospores, fungal mycelium, bacterial endospore like gram positive bacteria. Means bacterial endospores is made by gram positive bacteria only, and rhizome, it is the fungal spore root like structure, it is the rhizome. So it is the source of primary inoculum. Infection. What is the infection? Infection is the establishment of parasitic relationship between two organisms following entry or penetration or the establishment of a parasite within a host plant. Second is penetration. So penetration is the phenomena of host recognition. In this process, the pathogen recognize the host by the different aspects. Like host recognition is pathogens penetrate plant surfaces by direct penetrate or indirectly through wounds or natural openings. Bacteria enter plants mostly through wounds and less frequently through natural opening. Viruses, viroids, molecules, fastidious bacteria enter through wounds made by vectors. Fungi, nematodes and parasitic higher plants enter through direct penetration and less frequently through natural opening and wounds. Third is penetration, involves invasion, colonization and incubation period. Invasion or colonization. So a parasitic relationship is formed between host cytoplasm and parasitic cytoplasm. So parasitic relationship is formed between host cytoplasm and parasitic cytoplasm During infection, pathogens grow and multiply within the plant tissues. Invasion of plant tissues by the pathogen and growth and reproduction of pathogen like colonization are two concurrent stages of disease development. Symptoms development. So incubation period. What is the incubation period? The time interval between inoculation and appearance of disease symptoms is called the inoculum period, incubation period. And from the incubation period, secondary inoculum made. So what is the secondary inoculum? The secondary inoculum which develops from the primary symptoms is called secondary inoculum. And secondary inoculum may be airborne asexual spores like conidia, zoospores, infected mycelium. So production of over seasoning stage or exit of pathogen from host. So exit of pathogen from host or production of over seasoning stage. So after invasion and colonization of the host, the pathogens come out of the host to maintain the continuity of the infection chain or disease cycle and escape death due to overcrowding. Over seasoning stage. So what are the important over seasoning stage? Viruses can exist only with the living protoplasma and hence disseminated through their animate vectors like insects, fungi, nematodes, etc. And from where secondary inoculum starts. And the bacteria ooze out in the form of slime on the host surface from where they can be disseminated through water and insects. However, the fungi have the most elaborate system of exit through secondary inoculum or make oospore, sclerotia, chlamydospore is the hard or thick form of mycelium. So bacterial disease cycle. So here is you are looking the bacterial disease cycle. So infected seed, infected seedlings, then infection of leaf and vesicular system, then invasion of susceptible host, dispersal by rain, wind and water splash, and you are looking the leaf, this development lessons on leaf, then xylem decay and systemic infection of plant, bacterial progress in stem and root. And this is the fungi disease cycle. So it starts from the root exudates, stimulate microscleral germination with direct penetration of root tips, colonization of root cortex, entry into xylem vessels, formation in conidia and systemic colonization of vesicle system. So these are the disease cycle. So this is the pathogenesis or infection process. Thank you for watching this important video. Please like our video, share our video and subscribe our video and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this agriculture.